In this video, I will show you how to add data to the BYU THREDDS server, which is located at tethys2.byu.edu/threads/catalog.html. This server has been set up to support the Tethys apps that BYU is developing and hosting on their Tethys servers, and it's also been set up with a file browser web application that has access to a portion of the data directory of the Tethys server. This will allow you to upload THREDDS datasets and get them configured on the THREDDS server without having to have SSH access. You'll need to have credentials to the file browser for the THREDDS server, which you can get from one of the lab leaders. First, let me point out how this THREDDS directory is organized. There is a catalog called BYU Hydroinformatics that has currently one folder associated with one of the file browser users, Hydroinf user. You can think of this as a home directory, and its contents are what are being displayed here at the root level for this user. Depending on how things are organized, each user may have a different directory, or perhaps they'll be set up with different projects in mind, or even one for each app. Either way, you'll need to drop data in this directory for this to work. So we'll go ahead and proceed with the Hydroinf user. You can see it already has a folder called Grace that has some data that was uploaded previously, but let's upload some new files. So first I'll create a folder in here, and I'll call it groundwater. And in this folder, I'm going to add a file that I stole from one of the groundwater apps, if I'm being totally honest. So I just did the drag and drop, and you can see this upload is going, and it's uploading this file. And there we are. The file's been uploaded, and you can see it's about 1 GB big. So let's go back to our catalog, and we'll just go into this Hydroinf user directory, and you can see here's our new groundwater directory, and here's our new file. You can see all the services that are enabled for it. If I click on the WMS service, which is used for mapping, and then copy this link, this is the endpoint for the WMS service. Right now it's showing Git capabilities, but I have here a simple open layers application that's running in Code Sandbox. It just has a tile layer on a map. So if I add this URL here, it refreshes and you can see that the WMS service is working. So that's how you can add data to the THREDDS server on the Tethys 2 server using the file browser app. It's fairly straightforward and is perfect if you just need to add a few files to support your app development. Good luck. Happy coding.